Make natural DIY anti-aging remedies to get rid of wrinkles around mouth at home. As always, we search for fresh, organic, natural fruit from garden. And today, we will be showing a homemade anti-aging face pack with this papaya. We all know papaya contains papain, which breaks down some inactive proteins and dissolves dead skin cells. It also helps to fight the free radicals, which can be a great part in making home remedies for wrinkles on face. It is also rich in antioxidants, which takes part in collagen synthesis. So, applying this on your face can cure deep wrinkles. As a result, gives you smoother, glowing and younger looking skin from inside. Not only papaya pulp reduces fine lines and wrinkles, but it also removes age spots and sun damages, so you will get bright and radiant skin at home. Papaya can be a boon for those with dry skin. Using a papaya face pack can make your skin soft and supple. The enzymes present in papaya can assist in treating dry and flaky skin and hydrate it. There are several ways to get rid of deep wrinkled skin on face and around mouth. If you are looking for the best wrinkle removal home remedy which also prevent aging issues like pigmentation, spots, etc., then this natural DIY anti-aging face pack can be a great choice of yours. We would like to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of this pulp for this remedy. Another good ingredient to use for your wrinkles remedies is rice flour. Rice flour has vitamin B, which is an excellent choice for your skin tightening benefits. Rice flour can be combined with various natural ingredients to prepare a pack for glowing skin. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, amino acids and some antioxidants. If you wish to get rid of those fine lines and lift up your sagging skin, then this face pack will be very beneficial to you. If you have dehydrated skin that needs moisturizer, then you have to try this creamy face mask. The best part is it is so easy to make and to use. This homemade anti-aging face mask needs some simple kitchen ingredients. As a result, you will have naturally healthy skin. It also regenerates new cells, which makes your skin look younger day by day. Add 1 teaspoon of this rice paste with 2 teaspoons of papaya pulp. The next beautiful ingredient is yogurt or curd. It also has B vitamins and lactic acid. Vitamin B also works for cell generation and protects the skin cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Lactic acid also a great moisturizer which helps keep the skin hydrated. Now apply on your face and let it stay until it dries completely. Then rinse it off with cold water. You can apply in alternative days to see the result within 2 to 3 weeks.